Welcome to our third video in the series Travel Through Time in Jordan. Get ready to uncover the ancient wonders of Jerash. Jerash, known as Gerasa in Antiquity, is located in northern Jordan. This city has a rich history, dating back to 7500 BC. It holds the title Pompeii of the East for being remarkably well preserved. This city was once a thriving Greco-Roman hub. It flourished under various civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans. The most notable features here are the stunning ruins that offer insights into ancient life. The history of Jerash is fascinating. It began as a Neolithic settlement around 7500 BC. By the Hellenistic period, it became a significant city, part of the Decapolis, a league of influential cities. As we explore, you'll notice the impressive architecture. The oval forum, surrounded by an Ionic colonnade, is breathtaking. This grand area was vital for public gatherings and discussions. Imagine the bustling activity that once filled this space. Next, we have the well-preserved temples of Zeus and Artemis. These structures reflect the city's importance in religious practices. They illustrate the architectural prowess of ancient civilizations. Do you know Jerash hosts two theaters? The North and South theaters are remarkable. They were not just for entertainment, but also social and cultural gatherings. Today, these theaters still hold performances, captivating modern audiences. As we walk along the Cardo Maximus, the main street of Jerash, envision the life that once thrived here. This colonnaded street was lined with shops. Ancient citizens would have strolled here, engaging in commerce and social interactions. In 749 AD, Jerash faced a devastating earthquake. However, it was rebuilt and continued to prosper during the Umayyad Caliphate. This era saw the city flourish in trade and culture, evidenced by the coins minted here. The Jerash Festival of Culture and Arts attracts thousands each summer. It highlights music, dance, and performances, showcasing the vibrant culture of the region today. Jerash truly showcases the echoes of antiquity. This city is a living testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. It stands as a highlight on any historical journey through Jordan. To recap, Jerash is a crucial piece of Jordan's heritage. Its stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture make it a must-visit. As we end this journey, remember, Jerash is more than just ruins, it's a link to our shared past. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Travel Through Time, Echoes of Antiquity for more such journeys. Share this video with your friends who love travel and history. We appreciate your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for the next videos in our series, and check the description box for more information.